What's good, honey boo boos? Make sure y'all go and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I want to bring more to y'all, and I got something waiting for y'all. So first I'm going in with my Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to apply this nice deep, I guess it's like a pastel dusty purple in my crease. I'm going with the flat brush because I know I have to pack it in. This right here is that nice dark blue. I'm just going to go in small circles in a patting motion. And make sure it's very vibrant at the end and saturated. Next, we're just gonna go in small circles with a blending brush and blend all around. Try to keep the motion the same throughout the whole look, and try not to blend too far out because you'll have to put on a nude color on the brow bone, just how I'm gonna do next. Do the other eye. Try to make sure everything's all symmetrical and everything looks good. Now blue is really hard to get off your face, so try wiping it off with a baby wipe before putting on your foundation because it gets messy. This right here is the nude that I was talking about. I'm just going to apply it on my brow bone with the blending brush and then push it down. Now this right here is my Makeup Forever. It's like they sell the little individual, what's it called, like little pigments, and I'm going to get this deep smoky blue, and it has a little bit of sparkle in it, and put it in my crease corner. So just a little bit of black. You can use any black, I mean shiny black, not shiny black, whatever. Now I'm going to get the gold and put it in that little spot. Now I don't use any concealer because this gold goes on perfectly fine. I mean, you can if you want to, if you want a more popping effect, but that's just me. This right here is just some plain old e.l.f. eyeliner. I'm just going to apply it. Start in the middle and then the front and then to my back. After that, I always try to make sure I have some mascara on to make the look more complete so I don't have any gold eyelashes. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more and follow me on Twitter and Instagram.